workers to our nation's economic growth, including our nation's independence. This is also a time to reflect with gratitude on the role of Kenya's labor movement in laying the foundation of our nation's freedom and also prosperity. It is clear, therefore, that Labor Day is more than a celebration. Today, we also honor the labor movement's historical campaign for fair wages and decent working conditions, which continues to inform our commitment to improving the welfare of every Kenyan worker. We embrace the theme that you have laid out, Kenyan workers standing for advanced information technology training to drive our digital economy, which is not only aligned with, but also underscores the government's significant strides in digitizing our economy and integrating digital technology across various sectors and in the entirety of our economy. While Kenya is globally recognized for its advancement in digital readiness and inclusivity, there is still much to be done to achieve job creation and increase in productivity. I listened to our sister Jacqueline, and she emphasized on the issue of productivity, and we are all aligned that that should be the facing forward of our job market. Through strategic investments, we have built robust digital infrastructure, established incubation hubs, and launched initiatives like the TVET Jitume program to boost youth digital skills. As I speak to you, Kenya Power, ICTA, and the Ministry of ICT are rolling out the program that will give us an extra 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic and connect 100,000 other institutions, including markets, including schools, including homes, so that we can have a firm foundation to tap into the digital economy, whether it is digital jobs or digital commerce. Likewise, the Ajira digital program aims to empower over 1 million young people with digital job opportunities, showcasing our commitment to revolutionize the economy through our digital economy. Despite progress